Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can post a video on your Steam account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, open your Steam app and make sure you are logged in. To upload a video to your Steam account, what you have to do is just click on your name at the top left of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, I will go to my content setting here on my name. Here you have to select the video option on the third. You will get a lot of options like collections, guides, workshop videos, artwork. You have to click on the third, that is video section. As you can see, no matching video were found here. You have to link your YouTube account to get your videos uploaded on your stream. Click on it and here you will get an option to link your YouTube account to your Steam profile. You have to select the videos you want to add to your profile and then share with your Steam friends so they can marvel or review these videos. Click on the green button. That's it. It will access your YouTube videos to your Steam account. This is how you can upload any video to your channel. You have to first upload it on YouTube and then link your account to your Steam. So that's basically how you can post a video on your Steam account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.